Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare Ukkarai, the traditional Chettinad sweet in Tamil Nadu. Ingredients for Ukkarai, Chettinad traditional sweet: 1 cup of chana dal, 1.5 cups of jaggery, 1/4 cup of grated coconut, around 10 to 12 numbers of cashew, 6 numbers of badam, 5 numbers of cardamom, 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee. So thoroughly wash the chana dal and you have to soak this chana dal for 2 hours. Keep the pressure cooker. Add the soaked chana dal. We have to pressure cook the chana dal for 6 whistles. So just grate the badam. If you want, you can put into small pieces. We are grating the badam. You can break the cashew into small pieces. Add little ghee to fry the cashew. So we are keeping everything ready. Let the chana dal get cooked. Add the shredded badam. Switch off the flame. You have crushed the cardamom. This is the crushed cardamom. Final whistle. We're going to switch off the flame. Let the pressure subside. Keep the pan in flame. We're going to make the jaggery syrup. So this much water is sufficient. No need of any string consistency. The jaggery has to dissolve completely. Then we will filter the syrup. After that we will use that syrup. See, now all the jaggery pieces get dissolved. We are going to filter the syrup. Always filter the jaggery because there will be impurities. The syrup should be filtered. Only little impurities. The chana dal cooked very soft. We are going to drain the water completely from this one. So just mash the chana dal. Keep the pan in flame. Add ghee in the pan. So we're going to roast the grated coconut. You have to keep the flame in low while frying the grated coconut. So the grated coconut got roasted. We're going to add the chana dal. which we mashed. This is one among the traditional Chettinad traditional sweet in Tamil Nadu. We're going to add the jaggery syrup with this one. So we have to keep in sim flame and you have to stir. No need to stir continuously. Give some interval, then you can stir. So we're going to add the roasted cashew, badam and cardamom. For Puran Poli, we are making this Puran. In that one, grated coconut will be more, but in this one, chana dal is more. That's what the difference between this and that Puran. Now is the final stage. We're going to switch off the flame. Ukkarai, the Chettinad traditional sweet from Veggie Recipes Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Please share with your friends and relatives. Thanks for watching.